So let me, what are you have to do? Give me 1 second. You have to create two tables. We inserted data yesterday, and basically the courses and the semester. Okay.
Yeah.
So one is the course table. Basically, what you want to course table. In the course table, I want number one course ID.
Okay.
Second, course name.
Okay.
Okay. Third one is the semester ID and semester name, and table name is the semester. Can you create those tables?
Sure.
Yes, please create.
Hi, Vishal.
Yeah, yeah. So you can write
Uh,
Sam ID, Sam name is or semester is fine. You can run,
okay.
and you can insert two and five rows into both tables.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What did you say now?
I'm saying run these SQLs, create the table,
Okay.
and insert the data into them.
Okay. Shall I change the semester ID as SEM
Oh,
ID, course
that's
ID
fine.
as?
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. Shall I insert the values inside the table?
Yes, you can create a table. Yes, you created the table. You can refresh,
Yeah.
you can check. Go to that tables, refresh, or you can refresh the schema and check the tables. Yes, you have the tables now.
Yeah.
Okay. You can insert now data. Insert, suppose
Okay.
course ID 1 and course name might be the BTech, MCA, BBA, ठीक है, LLB, like that.
Okay. Okay.
Control C, Control V also work over here. Put the semicolon.
Okay.
Put the
Okay.
semicolon. So multi statement will be executed. Yes.
Sure.
Enter the 5 records or 4 records are fine. Are you comfort doing this?
Yeah. Let's see. Come.
Because the better thing is that if you will do in front of me, then you will have the more, confidence.
Yeah.
What is the BL?
Oh, sorry. What did
BL.
Bachelor of Law?
Oh, Bachelor of Law.
BB.
Or BBL?
BBL. Uh, business. What is it? Business. BBA, right? A. Yeah. Yeah.
MBA, BBA.
Yeah. Sorry.
BBA, MBA, BBA.
Yeah. BBA. Right. Right.
Let me put. Okay, give me control to 1 second.
Okay.
BBA, MBA, and I'm putting BCA, and MCA is also most popular course in India. Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know about the
Yeah. Yeah.
BCA and MCA?
Yeah. BCA and CA. Yeah. Yeah.
MCA. This is the BE, and we have the BTech also. Now
Yeah.
in India we don't have the degree of BE. In USA we have the BE, but in India we have the BTech,
Oh.
BTech and MTech. Did you notice?
Actually. In my college still it's B only, I think.
Which college?
Jaraja Engineering of Tech.
Okay, they are providing BTech and MTech most probably. Okay, no problem. Both are the same thing. Minor changes there.
Okay.
So I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me rerun into the one go. One go means select all and click on the insert. That is inserted.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
now let me copy this data and put into the notepad. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will lose. I put in this data. Okay. Now,
Okay.
what I'm doing, this is the course. Let me Control C. I'm inserting into the course and I'm inserting into the semester. I'm putting semester over here and replacing semester ID. And I'm taking semester name. I'm replacing some course name with the semester. I'm creating, next as well. Okay. 101 semester is basically we are taking which semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. Semester we are taking na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something else. Instead of semester we can take a branch. Okay, table branch. Can you hear me? Laika, are you on mute? I'm audible. Like here, Laika.
Yeah. Hi. There was a problem in my internet connection.
Okay.
So
You rejoin, no? Okay. So let me actually. I was thinking about that. There is some issue. Okay. So I'm creating a branch instead of this semester. I'm creating a branch. Okay.
okay.
I'll replace this branch. Table name is branch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, branch ID. Okay, let me replace these things. So I'm creating a branch table and the branch ID is there and similar the branch name. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm putting the branch basically which branch 101 branch is. Suppose we are doing the BTech. BTech has this is the EC electronic communication
Okay.
and we have basically the mechanical ME.
Yeah.
We have IT. We have MCA has the MCA branch. Suppose we don't have the branch. BCA has the BCA. We have
Mm-hmm.
the BBA as same don't have branch. We have MBA and we have ECME, IT and other branches. Do you know? Law suppose. Hmm. Suppose
Okay. Okay.
I'm inserting this data. So
Okay.
let me run this table. What I want to explain the problem statement and post that I want to explain what we are doing. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
So now I'm inserting this one data into the Postgres. Let me put over here. Let me create a branch table and post that. Let me run this. Okay, let me refresh the schema. Okay, let me delete this. So I'm writing select star from. Basically, the one is this student. Student. Second, select star from courses, and
Fee cap.
no cap, it doesn't matter. Whatever you will create,
It doesn't.
it
Okay. Okay.
always in small letter into the database.
Okay. Okay.
Star from branch. So let me check student has some data. Yes, student course
Yes.
ID and student semester. I'll replace this basically semester to
Branch.
branch. And we have the course now. We have this course details. Okay, we have this branch. So now I am entering the code over here. Okay, I'm entering the code inside this table, student table. Okay,
Okay.
so now let me take a student table and let me do something like that. I'm dropping student table first.
Okay.
Post that I am creating a student course and student branch.
Okay.
Okay, and these are the
Okay.
numeric value. Numeric value means whatever the branch is there. I'm running.
Okay.
I'm running, and okay, this is running fine. I'm deleting. Oh, Control Z. I'm Control X and putting over here. Now I'm inserting these values. Okay,
Okay.
and in this insert SQL, I'm taking insert into 105.
But
Oh, it will not work now.
yeah,
Let let
one and two.
let me correct all SQLs.
Hmm.
Insert into student 101, or we can put the 1001. Ram, this is
Okay.
mobile number, this is email ID, and whatever the branch I am putting 101. Okay, and
Yeah.
I'm taking 101 as this one.
You,
And post that. Okay. I'm taking these three copies. So I'm putting 102 or 1103. I'm taking as a Sham, as a Mira, mobile number change 4, 5, and Sham. This is mail ID, this is Mira email ID, unique ID should be there. And course can be duplicate. Okay,
okay.
I'm taking 10. Let me check if I can check the course I'm taking. Suppose I'm taking a BE 101, and I'm taking branch is IT 103.
Okay.
I'm taking 104 BBA, and branch should be BBA. BBA is 106. 106. Okay, so such type of
Okay.
things I need to enter. This is a valid data. Let me enter. I entered this data and control F and put into over there. I hope there is no issue till now. What
No issue.
what I'm explaining to you, I think it is already, we are preparing the data.
Okay.
Now this is the thing. Okay. Now I want to basically check. I usually doesn't matter whatever the course ID, whatever the branch ID you are using. They want to check the name. They are interesting to see the name. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, whenever we will fetch the data
Hmm.
from more than one table or multiple tables, then we put the use the joins. Join. We use
join.
So let me explain the join. So basically, what we do generally, do you know about the nickname? Nickname. Nickname.
Yeah, nickname. Yeah.
What is your nickname?
I don't have nickname, but
suppose somebody says that Iku something else. In India they generally call like that.
Yeah.
Suppose my name is Vishal. Sometimes they call the Visu or something else. So similarly, we have the nickname into the table. So this is my table student. I can put suppose ST. ST is a nickname. So I can call now this table as a ST. Now this table known as the student as well as the ST.
ST.
So suppose I want to fetch the roll number or something else. I can control over the field over there. I can put like that ST dot is to underscore roll number comma st dot is to underscore name st dot is to underscore mobile. Suppose I'm fetching like that from st, then it should be work fine. There would not be an issue. Okay. And you can put the where condition. Post that there is a post that you can put the join. Join and put the second table name. Suppose I'm putting the course. This is the condition. Whatever the you are searching, and you can put the C or or C as a course you can put, or COR COU COP you can put, whatever the nickname is your choice. On is basically the condition where they have the common fields. Actually, this is the common select statement. Whatever you use, first the table, put the join, second table name, nickname is there, and put the condition. We have the common fields. So what fields into the student table we have?
Course ID.
Student table we have. Column is not okay. I didn't refresh this thing, so I think refresh is needed. Yes, column name is the student is to course. So I need st dot is to underscore course. Equals to should be co dot
course ID.
Course ID. Yes. Course ID. Course underscore ID. Are you understanding? On condition?
Yeah.
Whenever I am select, I can see the fields, these three. But now you can take a field from this table also, like that CO. Suppose I am taking comma CO dot what should I take? Course name. Now I can access the field from this table also. Course name, course ID, whatever you can. If you run, then you can see B, and this is the text. So course name you can put as or course. See, okay. Basically, it known as the alias. Now this column will show as a course. There is a text, na? Course name is okay. Leave it. There is no need. Okay. And post that, what I can do? I can put the more join. Should I put?
What? No, I couldn't hear you. What did you say now?
I need basically the email I've taken. I need to the course and branch also.
Okay.
Let me put the email also. st dot is to underscore email comma I'm breaking these things, okay, into the multi-line. Are you understanding?
Okay. Yeah.
So now I want to put this, or you can better way is that select should be in one statement. This is the better way, and from into the second, and this is the join. Okay. Now I want to take a join. I want to take the next thing. Next thing is that what is the
Branch.
semester?
Branch.
Or sorry, branch. So can you help me put the join? Join.
Join. Branch. BR.
Branch BR
On. ST dot. Student branch. STU underscore branch.
equal
to
BR dot
branch underscore ID.
Branch underscore ID. Let me check again. If something, yes, branch ID. You remember branch underscore ID. Now
in select,
yes, in select we can put what?
BR dot branch underscore name.
Branch underscore name. That is called join.
Okay.
I can see now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Alaika comes and says, I will insert one data into the table.
Okay.
So now he took this SQL. Now we have the perfect data into the database. That is, we generally do like that, okay? But someone comes and says, okay, that's fine. I'm entering 110 or 110 and 109. I'm inserting this data. Okay, this is the problem because we have the unique key 104. I can put this as suppose a year 6 we a year and this I'm inserting. Okay. I'm inserting, that is fine. I'm running this one, selecting yes, data we have 110. Whenever I'm running these things, I'm getting okay. Oh, this record is not coming over here. That is called the inner join. Actually, join has the, let me explain. First, the join. First is the inner join or called join. Inner join means if both table has this met this condition, then it will become. Otherwise, data will not become. Means what? Let me repeat. If a student has the course ID and course table also has the course ID and both are the matching, then we will fetch the data. Otherwise, we will not fetch. So in the fourth row, data are not matching. So we are not fetching. Second is called the left join. Sorry, this is my bad. Left join. Okay. Left join means the data will come from the old data will become from the left table. And right table matching record will become. Suppose I am putting left join. LEFT, left join, and I am putting, suppose there is a left join. So now what will happen? The old data will become from the student. Left means left table. This is the student, right table is course. So old data will become from the left table. Only the matching record will come from right. If I am running this, then I can see, yes, it is null and null. Okay. And we have the right join also. In the right join, what will happen?
From the right table.
All data from right table will become, and matching data from the left table will become. Is it understand? Are you understanding what I'm explaining?
Yeah.
Let
I
me
can understand.
explain to the right join on behalf of two tables instead of three. Let me explain the I'm removing this BR. Suppose I'm taking
Okay.
this one and I'm taking right join. So all record from right table will become. So if you will see MBA, BCA, MTech, MTech, BTech, all are coming. Okay. If record are not matching, then we are having the null in the student table.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is called the right join. And actually, this is called the right join, and sometimes we call the right outer join. Okay, that's the inner join, outer join is fine. Okay. So now we have the cross join also and self join. Okay, I'll explain later cross join and self join.
Okay.
Okay, I'll explain later these things. Okay, now I am. Are you okay till now?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, so now what is the problem statement I am seeing over here? So like I enter the basically those values that doesn't matter. It doesn't store into the or doesn't have into the course and branch. Is it correct?
Yeah.
So think about that. I'm creating a website. I'm developing a project, and course name and branch name is a master data. There are the two type of the data. One is the transactional data. Second is a master data. So master data doesn't frequently change like a course branch in any university, in any college. Course might be added, course might be removed, but not very frequently in a daily basis or monthly basis. It might be in 1 year or 2 year. So master data doesn't change frequently. It can be changed. So think about that. Course is a master data, branch is also master data. Suppose I'm taking a admission into the school or college or university, and in that university I don't found my course and the branch. I have the detail. Then what will happen? Data is very inconsistent state.
Yeah.
So now, because before that I was inserting the data into the student table, so I put it the constraint like not null. I put it some constraint not null, primary key, unique, like that. Now I am inserting the data in student, but the table has referred some other data.
Yeah.
I need to control. I need control that one. Only Leica can insert a valid data if course name exists into that course table. Then I can insert the valid ID. Otherwise, branch name, branch is already exist, branch code should be existing into the branch table. Then I should insert into that. Otherwise, it will give the error. That is called a reference key, and the name is called a foreign key.
Okay.
So foreign key and reference key, what we do? Let me explain to you. So in this table, let me let me do this one. So generally, we drop this till I'm dropping. I will insert again. So now the course, okay, not null. You can put, but first of all, let me put this. Or you can put this reference key. Name is the REFERENCE references key, reference key. Okay. Post that you will put the table name, because this is a field. Student table has the student course. Student table doesn't know which table should have the this reference. So we need to explain what is the table name. What is the table name? Course. And post that which field we need to be should put there, course ID. Course underscore ID. Now we created a reference into the student table. If data would be there, then you can insert, otherwise you can't. This is sometimes it is called the child or parent relationship. It is called a foreign key. It is called a reference key. It is a main, concept.
Okay.
Now I'm putting this one into this, and I'm removing not null. Suppose I'm removing not null. Okay, think about that. References key, branch,
Branch ID.
branch ID, branch ID. Okay, let me create this table first. Let me drop
Branch ID spelling. The branch ID spelling, please.
BRAN. Is it correct now?
Yeah, it's correct now.
Thank you so much. Near courses, reference key, courses. This is a error. Okay, let me check the syntax for that. Sometimes, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see your screen.
FORGIN foreign key in Postgres. References parent table, and this is references. Oh, references key
Key is not here.
should not be there. Sorry, I put it the key. Actually, we have the different syntax on databases. So sometimes now I ran this. Okay.
Yeah.
I am taking Control X this table, Control X, and putting into this. Okay. And post that what I'm doing, I'm inserting these SQLs. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm first of all I'm inserting these three SQLs. These three SQLs should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we have the particular reference data. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm inserting this one. Which one? This one.
Last.
Think about that. What is the error?
Yeah, foreign key constraint.
Why it is came? Insert
Because we have
update
given
table student violation foreign key constraint is student. This is the F key will be created. Okay. And this is the issue course 1110 is not present in table course. It is not present.
Okay.
Now you can't insert. We have the control now. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I think, are you understanding what I want to say?
Yeah, I'm understanding.
Now think about that. I inserted 101 over here. I can't delete even this data from course or this data from branch. Because if I suppose I'm not inserting, but I'm deleting 101 from the course, then the same thing is happening now.
Yeah.
Suppose I'm deleting, delete, ठीक है नहीं? From delete from course where
course ID is equal to 101.
Course ID equals to 101. If I am deleting this one, then the same thing will happen. So you can't delete.
Yeah.
The reason is that read the statement. Now the statement is something different. Update or delete on the table course violate the foreign key constraint. This table student. Key 101 is still referenced from the table student. This means now student table has the records. You can't do the inconsistent. You can go, you can delete the record from the student first, and post that you can delete from the course.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have the control. We have the total control. Nobody will enter the wrong data.
Okay.
Are you understanding?
Yeah.
And you can read basically this is the main whatever I'm basically the explaining to you foreign key. This is a major concept into the DB. Most of the people doesn't understand in couple of years also. So be
Okay.
focus and understand all those things and read from this any tutorials. I'm explaining practically to you. To think about that, what is the foreign key? Foreign key basically is the
Yeah.
relationship to the another table. There are some
Table. Yeah.
basic concept. Some basic concept is that if I'm creating a foreign key in any table, suppose I'm creating a foreign key in student table, then
Okay.
this field, this this field should be in primary key into the course. Otherwise, it will not be applicable. So course ID should be primary key. By default, you did. By default, you
Yeah.
created the primary key. One thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Second thing, into the primary key, we can't insert the null. Into the primary key, we can't insert the null. But foreign key can
Yeah.
have. Foreign key can have the null values.
Okay.
Okay. Foreign key can
Okay.
insert the, we can insert the null values. Suppose I'm inserting null and I'm inserting null again. Then I think I should insert. Null is allowed into that foreign key. I'm able to insert. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, like so. Are you
Yeah.
okay till now?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I understood it.
I explained the foreign key. I explained this basically, the joins.
Okay.
I hope. Let me. Okay.